Karn dry cleaning machine leveling. It is starting high-speed extract. Touch and feel. It is machine's foot. Is there any vibration? If no, it means leveling is good. 6 feet in total. 3 at front. 3 at rear. Is there any vibration? Can you feel the vibration? There is 1 foot. Not vibration, right? Check all feet. During high extract, the machine will be very stable. The machine has no shake. Smoothly. Good. Right. Machine must not shake. After loading. Machine may shake when high extract. Check feet at rear again. There are 3 at rear. Check if any vibration. Adjust anchor bolt. Tighten the bolt half a turn. Verify defect. If tightened too much, it will affect other anchors. Check all. Adjust slightly. Make sure the machine is smooth. If it shakes, check again. If it's good, then check one. Check one by one. This needs fine-tuning. Entering high-speed extract. Listen, we can also tell if it shakes. Make fine adjustments. Double check. There's a little there. Fine-tuning. The bolt over there is too loose. Don't over-adjust. Otherwise this side will be affected. That's it. That's okay. Pay attention to the range. It is good. Let me check here. Okay, no vibration. Okay, check out the back. Any vibration? It's okay here. This is fine. Check this. Have vibration. Tighten this bolt half a turn. Don't overdo it. Otherwise it will affect other anchor bolts. Not even close. That's okay. Check over there. Check Mike. No problem. Done. Let's check on. Good, not very smooth. It won't shake. Well done. End of leveling.